Come. What a good boy. What a good boy.
Here, what's that? You put your paws in there. Alright, and then hold them all over the camera. That's cute.
Crooked.
It's not crooked. It doesn't have to be straight.
You almost did it.
You wanna do it your own, Scout? I'm gonna do a paw, babe. One paw. Okay. Come here. Come here closer.
You learn straight? Crooked?
They are straight because they're inbreeding.
Oh.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna wash your hands.
We can redo it. Can we redo it?
Really?
We can redo it. We can flatten it out.
I don't know. It's up to you.
You might want to, yeah. That's hot water,
Good
babe.
boy. It was not that hot.
Alright, you're gonna flatten it out.
Yeah, hello, puppy. Easy.
Alright, let's try this again.
Oh, good boy.
Oh, is that how you're gonna do it?
No.
Yeah. You can be a good boy.
Blue.
It is.
This ball first.
This ball? Hold it out of the way. Hold it.
Here. Yeah.
You good? Like this? Good.
Good boy.
Now one this side. Good boy, Scout. You're being a good boy. There.
Yeah.
Like right where it's a little darker. Deeper. Alright, okay. You get a bath next. Yeah, no, don't eat that. Don't eat that. Here's his little paw print. Getting his first bath in the sink. He's shaking? Yeah, he's shaking a little bit. Is it hot water, maybe? Babe, don't use hot water. Oh, it's a little warm. I don't want to drink that. Good boy. Yes, good boy. Yes. We got your paw prints now. Yay. Go get it, Scout. Go get it.
Hair standing up on his neck. See that?
You didn't do that?
No. Shaking.
That is definitely the adult bark in him. He's barking by wagging his tail. Get a Scout! Save us! Oh, now he's peeing.
Time out.
His back legs are shaking. It's okay. We're safe.
No.
I'll have him chase it. Okay, I don't know what I'm looking at.